Hey guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. Good morning. Today we are going to get you out of bed easily, gently, and rip-roaring, ready to go for your morning. So all of these can actually be done right in bed, some lying and some seated. And we're going to get started with the lying ones. Starting by lying right on your back. This is actually a stretch that both my dog Apollo and my cat Squash do too. So good morning stretch is what I call this. You're going to reach those arms overhead, reach them away from your feet, and then you're going to add a little bit of a reach across that head. Just a couple reps on each side here to start those juices of flowing. All right, from there you can bring those arms back down. We're going to take those ankles and circle them right around. You might get some snap, crackle, and pop right here. I'm going to do 5 in each direction. And switching it up. Try to make them as nice and big as you can without it being too uncomfortable. And then right from here, I'm going to bend those knees up. My arms are going to come in goalposts, nice and wide. I'm going to drop my knees to the right, and I'm actually almost going to hook my hand a little bit over to that left. You can even extend it a touch just to stretch out that side body, and then switching. And you can add that head movement with it. You don't have to grab onto anything. You can keep your arms right where they are. It all depends on what feels best for you. And this just happens to feel awesome for me. So we're going to get one more on this side and the other side. And then moving on, one more lying down. You're going to go ahead and straighten out that right leg and then just let that left knee open and bring it back up to the side. Right? And back up. Think about trying to start to engage in through those lower abs a little bit to wake those up too. Just that little gentle belly button pull in. One more on this side. And then I'm switching sides. Left leg straight, right leg bent. Open and closed. There's 2, 3, 4, really waking up those hips. 1 more, 5, and we're moving on to sitting right up. All right, we got a little bit of energy and blood flow going. Now we are sitting on up. So you're gonna rest your hands on your legs, not directly on those knees, but taking a nice deep breath in, squeeze into those shoulder blades, arch that back, lift that head, and then round it forward. So a little seated cat-cow. So here's 2. We're gonna get 3 of these. Really round and tuck. Breathing in, breathing out. Good, sitting up nice and tall. Arms are gonna come wide. You're gonna lift that head up as you bring those arms back, squeeze into those shoulder blades, and then clasp those hands forward and really press those shoulders forward. You can even slump a little bit like that cat-cow. Open and close, and 1 more. And 1 more exercise to get you going. You're going to straighten one leg out, and then you're going to think about leaning forward from the chest, not bending over. We're just waking up those hamstrings a little bit here. And to do that, we want to make sure that we don't aggravate the spine as well. Just get those leggies going. So there's 2. And we're going to do 1 more on each side. And last one. Yes, now you can start your day.